In today's video, let me quickly show you how to create a Telegram account. Welcome back to this new video on HealthGenic. If you want to start using Telegram and want to create an account, let me exactly show you the process. Make sure you first of all download the Telegram app on your phone. You can also follow this process using the website, which is the web app, or using the Telegram on your desktop as well. For this video, I'm just going to use the mobile app. Once you've downloaded the application, make sure you open it up, and straight away you'll have a section of entering in your country code and then adding in your phone number. So make sure you do that and then tap on the arrow on the bottom right. The next step is going to ask you to add in your email address so that you can protect your account, or you can also continue or sign in with your Google. So depending upon what you need, again, select one of these options. If you want to use your email, type it in and then tap on the arrow on the bottom right. Now a verification code will be sent to the email address that you added in. Just add in the code and then you'll head over to the next step. Also, you're going to get a code on your phone number. You just need to add it in as well and then continue on the next step. And there you go, as easy as that. Your account of Telegram now has been created. This is also the same process of logging in if you already have created an account. If the video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.